come over here for is I wanted you to come over here and see Jerry's shop. This is Jerry's shop. He's got a nice man cave right here. And Jerry, if you don't mind, would you take us in?
Sure.
And let's check out the old Chevy that we talked about. And
when I was 13 years old.
13 years old.
I'm 56 now, so I've had it a while.
You've had it a while. And what made you decide to buy it?
My daddy bought it for me. That's my first vehicle.
Okay.
Second vehicle, I had a Volkswagen Beetle, my first vehicle.
Yeah.
This is my second vehicle.
Yeah.
It don't look like much. Paid $500 for it when we got it.
$500. But you and Donna dated in this thing, right?
We dated in it. Yeah. My daughter is 29 years old and she's never rode in this truck. Back there.
Now it looks to me like you have tubbed it and you've put a roll pan in.
We drag raced this thing over the years. We've done everything with it. And when I tore it apart, I thought, I need to put some bigger tires and wheels on. They're just not big enough. It already had a narrower end. You know, we had put on there before.
What year model is it?
It's a 64.
64.
Yeah.
And you got fuel cell.
Yep.
And look how wide and fat and meaty those tires are.
They're 19 and a half inches wide.
Holy
33
moly.
inches tall.
Yeah.
The rims are 16 inches.
Take a pretty good ring and pinion to handle that.
Yep. Got 456s in it, I believe, right now.
Have you ever had anybody try to buy this from you?
Everybody looks at it.
Everybody?
Yeah, everybody looks at it.
That looks good. 350?
383.
383?
It's actually, I kind of got it hid where you can't see it. It's got aluminum heads on it.
Yeah.
Roller rocker arms. It's got a hydraulic roller cam in it. I've got all MSD ignition to go on. I just haven't put it on there yet. I got everything in black. I got the compressor in black, the alternator in black, power steering pump, everything be black under the hood.
I like that.
I got that from my dirt track racing days.
Yeah.
You know, when it's dark at night and somebody wouldn't look at what you had.
Yeah.
It's all black and they couldn't tell much
All
about
black,
it.
and I can't tell much about it. You got a new radiator going in it there. Let's go. Wheelwood brakes. Yeah, man, that's looking good. I like the wheels. They look really cool.
I don't know if you're familiar with what a Pro Mod drag car is, but that's what the back wheels came off of, a Pro Mod drag car.
Yeah.
And I actually had the ones on the front that came off the Pro Mod, but they wasn't but 4 inches wide, and I was kind of leery about laying in a curve.
Yeah, you don't want to do that.
And I had a guy that built these wheels right here for me.
He custom built them?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
The front wheels. He took the weld centers and a different set of back wheels and made them where they work for the front.
So what's the plans for the interior?
I've got all brand new interior already for it.
Yeah.
I know you can't tell much about it.
Oh, that was loud. What's the?
I built all this out of custom. This is my kick panels that go down on the side.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna paint it the gold to match the inside of the truck.
Who made these?
Atomic Armadillo Custom Fab. I think they're out of Wisconsin. And anyway, he bead rolled all of this diamond tuck in it. He did the piece on the back of the truck.
Yeah.
I got the pieces that go on the door panels on the inside where in my younger years I cut holes and put speakers.
Yeah, I remember.
And wished I did it, you know, wished I hadn't done it then, but I got covers to go over that he made for it. This is the covers.
This is a long-term project right here. Yeah, oh, that's gonna be good for your door panels.
Yeah.
So what's your timeline on trying to do it?
Probably a year, probably another year.
Another year, and you're gonna paint
If I
it?
had a good painter, you know anybody that can paint?
I wish I did.
If I had a good painter, I'd be closer to what I am now.
Yeah. You, the plan to stay green?
Same color.
Same color, I don't blame you.
It's 1977 Ford Thunderbird Jade Green metallic.
Yes. Nice, man. Well, it's gonna be so cool. I like his shop. You got a nice shop here, nice setup, and got the big old bass on the wall. You can tell this is the man cave right here.
Man cave, that's right.
Yeah, I like it.
I got stuff piled up in here everywhere. Every time I run across a good deal, you know, you can't throw it away, you gotta get it.
That's right, yeah, and that's why we go to work every day, right?
That's right.
I've mentioned that several times to my friends that we go to work, we gotta have some peace of mind, we gotta get out, we gotta do some of the stuff that we love to do, and this is it right here.
Man, I can crank this thing if you want to hear it run.
Oh, I'd love to, yeah, crank it up right quick. I'm gonna try to get up under it and see if I can look at the frame.
We can raise it up. Oh, no trouble on the vibrator anyway.
This cranks right up.
Crank right up.
This sounds good. Sounds real good, Jerry. Wow. Well, I'm excited for you. I hope you get it done real quick.
I might just give up on it and primer it and drive it, you know.
Yeah.
If it comes to that.
I'm in the short rows. I'm in the last year or two of my work, and I plan on retiring soon. And I'm trying to find me something to do. I'm trying to figure out what's next for me, you know. And I'm about done at NASA. And
Yeah, no Barracuda would look good sitting in your garage.
man, if only. I wish to goodness I'd have never sold that thing. If I could find it somewhere. I was offered a chance to buy that thing back in 2005. My good buddy Ron Phillips is the one that had bought it from me, and had the chance to buy it back. He's going to sell it to me for $5,000 and let Ken Littleton talk me out of it. He said, son, you can't keep living in the past. And I was like, okay. I wish I had not listened to him one time and went ahead and bought that car back. Well, Jerry, I appreciate it, man. This is great. This is good stuff right here. This is what I'm talking about. These guys everywhere that I know, at work, at NASA, here in Blunsville. Your dad has been like the president of the car club around here, right? Forever. As long as I can remember. And his dad, he grew up in this.
I grew up, my daddy raced dirt track cars. That's Daddy's first race car. It's a 54 Ford. And I can remember having envelopes that he brought home where he'd have a bounty against him to outrun him. And people, if they outran him, they paid that bounty. And back then it was like $50. It was big money, you know, $50 to outrun him.
Yeah.
I raced dirt track cars. Even my son has raced dirt track cars.
Yeah.
You know.
But your dad's always had some cool Mustangs and really nice cars.
I got him a set of torque thrusts to go on this 68 fastback to make it look more like a Bullet.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. And he still got it?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Yeah. That's good. Yeah, there's a lot of people around here that's got some cool cars, and they're kind of, you know, people don't really know about them. You don't
I'm a little different than everybody else. I like, if it's something I really, really like, I'll hold on to it.
Yeah.
You know, or something like maybe something my daddy bought me, you know, it's took apart, but I've got a 1973 Harley Davidson 90 that I rode as a kid in my garage still. Like, I know you remember seeing me riding.
Yes, I remember that.
I still got it.
Wow.
I've got it took apart and getting it ready to paint my.
I wish you had Dana's old Honda 70, Trail 70. If you still had that, man. Oh, Steve Southwell launched his off out in the pond one time. Tell me about this headliner and all that you're going to do in the truck.
This is the headliner for the truck. I cut a sunroof in the truck when I was 16 years old. I've never liked it since, so I've got a new roof skin for it.
Yeah.
I really didn't have a patch to go on the inside.
Yeah.
So I had a guy he's out of Wisconsin, it's Atomic Armadillo Fab, and he made me this thing. He bead-rolled this headliner for the truck.
Have you fit it yet to see if it fits?
I have not.
I'm going to turn the camera sideways for just a second.
Everything else that he's made for me just fit it perfect.
Look at that. That guy has got some skills, don't he?
He does.
And as I always say, that is so cool.
Yeah.
That's my byword. I have a trouble. I say that all the time. People make fun of me, laugh at me, but it's just me, you know. Wow, Jay, that is really cool. I really appreciate it. Well, I appreciate you taking the time to talk to us. Folks, if you would, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you see something you like, we want to keep this thing going, and I got several other people that's got similar vehicles, but there's none of them just like this, and I wanted to show you Jerry's. Jerry's got the cool shop, he's got the cool toys, and I wanted to make sure to include him on this. Thanks for stopping by.